Paris Saint-Germain keeps momentum strong after their historic treble, teaming once again with Jordan brand on the remastered Air Jordan 4 RM. The collaboration highlights PSG's growing legacy beyond football, continuing a partnership that began in 2018 and already includes iconic Air Jordan 1s, 5s, and 6s. The stripped-down design features a breathable black mesh upper, faded charcoal suede, and pre-aged midsoles, accented with subtle gray hits for contrast. Unique branding elements include Paris Saint-Germain text on a translucent heel tab, co-branded footbeds, and an insole graphic showcasing the Parc des Princes electric crowd, symbolizing the club's bond with its fans. Balancing nostalgia and modern updates, this release positions PSG as both a cultural and athletic powerhouse. Expected to drop holiday 2025, the PSG X Air Jordan 4 RM in Off-Noir signals another milestone in the ever-expanding Jordan-PSG collaboration.